Welcome to AI Beginner Academy, the friendly, simple way to start your AI journey. Here, learning artificial intelligence is easy, welcoming, and built for everyone. No tech skills, no coding, and no overwhelm. Inside the Academy, you'll find 4 beginner-friendly courses designed to guide you step by step without pressure or confusion. Using AI confidently helps you feel comfortable working with AI, understanding what it's good at, where to be cautious, and how to stay in control. AI Made Simple explains how AI actually works, what it can and can't do, and what to trust, giving you a clear foundation once you've gained confidence using it. AI Skills Accelerator focuses on practical skills and simple workflows you can use anywhere, helping you move from understanding into real, usable capability. And AI for Business shows how to apply AI thoughtfully in everyday business situations, with no technical background or IT team required. You can take any course on its own or follow the complete AI beginner learning path, which includes all 4 courses in a single structured experience. Every course includes the AI Beginner Toolkit with downloadable guides, checklists, visual mind maps, infographics, editable PowerPoint slides, and audio lessons you can learn from on the go. When you enroll, you'll also get access to the AI Beginner Community, a friendly, supportive space where you can ask questions, share progress, and learn alongside others. To help you get started, you'll also receive the AI Made Simple audiobook, a calm, hopeful look at the future of AI and how to thrive alongside it. If you'd like to explore first, you could try our free preview, no credit card required, and get a guided look at how the Academy works, with samples from all 4 courses. When you're ready, you can choose a single course or the complete learning path and move forward at your own pace. If you're ready to learn AI, the simple, friendly, confidence-first way, welcome to AI Beginner Academy.